Do you want to know how you can log into your Patriot Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Patriot Payroll account. The first step is to open any browser on your PC. Now go ahead and go to the search bar to search for Patriot Payroll Login. Click on the first link and it will take you to the official login portal of Patriot Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your username or email address in the first box. After you write down your username or your email address, move to the second box and write down your password. Then make sure to check it once by clicking on this icon and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Patriot Payroll account. If in case you want to skip all of this and want to sign in using your Google account, there is this option. Go ahead and click on it and you can sign in using your Google account as well. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the links you want to go to. So guys, this is how you log into your Patriot Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.